Good morning, everybody. If you missed the assignment on the mystery grid, I want to real quickly explain to you what that's about. So, this is what we call the mystery grid, and this is up on the Canvas page. You should be able to find it and print it out. Basically, what you're looking at is a bunch of random squares. This is kind of like a puzzle, basically. You are going to take the images you see in these little squares. And so, for example, we'll look at D4 there. Okay, so you're going to take what's in the square D4. I know it looks kind of complicated, but just remember it's just shapes. And you're going to take that and you're going to take it to this blank sheet, and you're going to go to the D column, and you're going to come down to over here 4. So you come across to D4, and you'll fill that square in here. Your goal is to draw as exactly those shapes as you can. What you end up with when it's all said and done is one full picture. Okay? Try to get things as filled in and as black as you can. And I guess the other thing I would tell you is just remember to just think about these things as shapes and don't try to worry about them being more complicated than they are. You're welcome to use like little tricks and tips, like for example, like look at the number A9 here. If I can find it, okay, that one, A9. Okay, see that black area on the top? That looks as though the black and the white split that square almost half and half. So use those kind of measurements to notice, oh, that looks like it goes about halfway across. On the bottom, the black looks like it comes to almost a quarter, or 3/4 of it. So think about those ways to measure when you're filling in your shapes. It looks difficult, but you'll be surprised when you're all done that the drawing that you come up with is way more difficult looking than each of those little squares. And it's a neat little trick for breaking up a complicated drawing into simpler areas. All right, so there is a quiz that you fill out on Canvas for that one as well, just like all of them, when you get it done. All right, thanks.